Welcome back to the Coffee and English channel. Today, we're going to practice English at the supermarket.
Grab a coffee, relax, and let's learn some useful phrases together.
Yes, shopping in English is something you do almost every day, and knowing the right phrases can make it much easier and more natural.
In this episode, we'll practice asking for items, checking prices, and talking to employees. You'll hear slow, clear English, and we'll repeat some sentences so you can join in.
Let's start with a simple conversation between a customer and a store employee. Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
It's in aisle 3, on the right side.
Thank you. Also, do you have whole grain bread?
Yes, it's in the bakery section, next to the pastries.
Great. And how much is this yogurt?
It's $2.50.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Let me know if you need anything else.
Thank you very much.
Now let's practice some common phrases. Repeat after me slowly.
Where can I find the eggs?
Do you have fresh vegetables?
How much is this cheese?
Is this on sale?
Can I pay by card?
I'm just looking. Thank you.
I'd like a bag, please.
Great. Keep repeating these sentences every day to get comfortable with grocery shopping English.
Vocabulary section. Let's go over some useful words.
Aisle. The walkway between shelves.
Checkout. The place where you pay for your items.
Basket or cart. The container you use to carry your items.
On sale. When something is discounted.
Total. The final amount you pay.
Receipt. The paper showing what you bought.
Fresh. Food that is recently produced or prepared.
Extended conversation section. Let's continue a longer conversation for extra practice.
Sure. Excuse me, do you have any gluten-free pasta?
Yes, we do. It's in aisle 5 near the sauces.
Thank you. Also, I'm looking for fresh strawberries.
The strawberries are in the produce section next to the blueberries.
Great. How much is a kilogram of strawberries?
It's $3.99 per kilogram.
Perfect. I'll take half a kilogram.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.